Hi everyone, it's me again, Cha. Today, isasama ko naman kayo sa isang random date night with Hubs in this restaurant called Lost and Found. Madami silang food choices sa menu nila from seasonal dishes to steak options. You could also get the drinks from the bar. Ako talaga yung nag-suggest nito kay Hubs kasi sobrang natuwa ako sa exterior niya. Para siyang botanical garden with a Victorian charm kapag pumasok ka sa loob. Ito na yung order namin, meaty pizza for Hubs na may chorizo and Spanish Iberico, and for me, this creamy truffle pasta. Honestly, it's really expensive to eat outside here in the UK, kaya nung pumunta ako dito, natuto talaga ako magluto. But from time to time, we still like to spend for nights like this. Okay, food review. For this creamy truffle pasta, overall, I like it. I just think nakulangan lang ako sa wow factor. Siguro kasi yung ginamit nilang flavoring dito is only truffle oil. So for me, I just give it 7.5 out of 10. Now, this pizza is a surprise to me. Nagustuhan ko yung combination ng chorizo and Iberico ham. To be honest, hindi ako fan ng pizza, but this one I really like. Lalo na nung nilagyan ko siya ng garlic mayo and the crust is not too thick or thin. Sobrang sakto niya lang talaga. Look at how I enjoy it. Ang dami kong nakain yan, honestly. So, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. So for the food, I'd say sakto lang lahat. But for the ambience, definitely a solid 10 out of 10. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung date with us. Bye!